Good morning, afternoon, evening, Matter Fluffers. How are we all doing? Welcome back or welcome on in to another unboxing, or rather unbagging. Today we are unbagging the Labubu bag, or as I like to call it, the Labu bag. And this one is in the color blue. I bought this one off the POPMART store, the official POPMART store on AliExpress. It came in nicely, thankfully, and obviously I paid for this with my own money. So no one's telling me to say nothing. We're just gonna put our normal thoughts in and let's get to it. So here we have the Labu bag. As you can see, there's a nice Labubu faceplate there and then a sort of star shape with a couple of handles. It does also come with a strap, which we will show you. And on the back of the packaging here, there is also a verification little sticker there. We're gonna open this up, I believe, on this side. It's got product name, the Monsters Classic Series-Plush Flower Bag Blue. And it's from Guangzhou. Hopefully I'm opening this right. So obviously with the verification sticker, we also have to find the verification code inside the bag. Let's put this aside. And from what I'd seen, if we open this up over here, let's take this balloon out. It's not a very big balloon, but I guess that's the size of things you want to be able to fill it with. We have the strap here, and inside this tag here, you should have a QR code. So that's where you find it inside of the bag. Feels like a very thin, what do you call it? Like it's sturdy but thin, kind of like sweater material. There's no extra pockets that I can feel for. I wonder how much this can actually fit. Like a wallet and maybe a phone. Maybe not the new phones, we'll see. Let's set that up. We have the D-ring here, another D-ring here, the handles with the fluffy ears, and it's got the classic marks that we have seen in some of the Zimomos. Apparently that is intended. It is not a manufacturing defect. That is how it's supposed to come. And the inside of the ears are blue. Just a little hard to see. Nice and fluffy, long fluff along here too. And just kind of plain on the back. We're going to put the straps on it, which is a sort of grayish light blue color. There is a clear elastic here, the ones you guys use for hair ties. They're very handy for tightening up cables. And let's flip this on. Two. Hello. I'm curious to see if it will fit my Polaroid camera in there. Just something I like to travel with. It feels like maybe that's all that will fit in there. Okay. Seems like only just. Not quite. Wait, what? Yeah, like that would be the only thing that would really go in there if it did. So whatever you're looking for when it comes to this bag and how much it can actually store, it's going to be about the size of this balloon, which is not very big at all. So do keep that in mind if you're looking to use this as a non-fashion piece, because it probably won't carry much more than a small wallet, some lip glosses, maybe a hand fan or something. We're also going to do the lighting test on this. White lighting to more indoor lighting, warm indoor lighting, back to white, back to indoor. And same on the other side. It's got indoor lighting, outdoor lighting, indoor, and outdoor again. Just for the fun of it, we'll do the UV light as well. Nothing too special to see here. Same on the front, it's just pretty plain. If you're thinking of which Labubus would possibly go with this bag, I have a few here that I would make recommendations for my type of styling. First, from the macaron series, we have the sesame bean, as well as sea salt. What's it? Sea salt coconut? I think would look nice. We have from the Has a Seat series, haha, and zizi, or hihi and zizi, as we like to say it in English. And then from the Big Into Energy series, I would recommend either a very light colored luck, not hope. This one's hope, and hope as well for the blue to match the blue in the eye. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Obviously it's more of a fashion bag than a utility bag, and hopefully this helps you decide if this is the sort of purchase you would like to make in the future. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys all later. Have a wonderful day, and remember, you are enough. Bye.